Hey, how's it going? Jean here, and I just wanted to pop into your feed on this Black Friday to remind you that you can save 100% on anything you simply don't buy. So I know that there's a huge push from a lot of people, including myself, to buy things on Cyber Week and Black Friday and things like that, but it really is something I want to stress, that you shouldn't buy things you don't need. And I'm not a financial advisor in any way, so speak to your accountant, especially if you're running a business. But this is for those of you who are just so passionate about photography and you're getting bombarded left and right with all these deals and you're like, oh, what should I buy? What should I buy? And we get into this mentality of, I have to buy something. But I really think that's unhealthy. And even though at the end of this video, I do have affiliate links because I want to recommend the best items to you guys for the things that you need, I want to make sure that you know I would prefer you don't buy anything if you don't have the money for it, or if you weren't planning to buy it anyway, even outside of the sale. The sale I just think of as a way to kind of capitalize, like a cherry on top of something you already need that is a better price than usual. And that's a great thing. And I'm not saying to not buy anything at all, otherwise I wouldn't be making this video. But if you don't need it, don't buy it. But that said, it does support creators like me when you do buy through our affiliate links and things like that. So if you are already in the market and you do need something, like you need a new studio strobe, you're looking at lights, you're looking at modifiers, you're looking at light stands, cameras, whatever it may be, software, if you're already planning on purchasing it and you need it for your workflow and you can justify the cost of it, then that's when you would use the affiliate links and kind of put a little cash in our pocket as well. I think it's a very weird time to be alive with all the affiliate marketing, but that's how the world functions. That's how I'm able to continue to help creating free tutorials for you on YouTube. And so I'm not pushing any of my paid content, none of my classes. They're always available to you. I think they're at a great price already. You can check those out if you want to. But I just wanted to remind you on this Black Friday that you do not have to buy anything if you don't need it. Don't feel pressured. There's always something going on, and there's always opportunities to get something. But yeah, I will leave a comment down below with all of the links to the gear that I do use and I do recommend, whether it's on sale or not. There's some great sales going on, by the way. So just check those out if you want to support me. If you're not looking to buy anything, you can also support me by leaving a like, leaving a comment on this video of any great deals you have found or what you might be picking up this year. And also you can just share this video with a friend who you think is in the market for something too. So yes, I do have affiliate sales. That's how we make a living doing YouTube, and partnering with brands is such a valuable thing and a beautiful thing. But at the same time, I don't want you to feel like you have to be pressured to buy something this Black Friday just because it's on sale. So be smart with your money. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'll see you next week.